And again, that would be due to some tropical moisture. In the tropics, we have Larry out here. It's a major hurricane, but not going to affect us. And then this is Invest 91. So look at Larry's path. We're not expecting it really to get anywhere near us. It's going to ride around a ridge of high pressure off to the north. And right now it might even stay well east of Bermuda without coming closer to the U.S. So we'll track it, but that's how it's looking now. And of course, all our eyes are on Invest 91. It really would be unfortunate to have another system, even if it's just a depression or a tropical storm, as we move into just barely a week or so out from Ida. But it does look like there will at least be a chance for development. But I do want to point out a couple of things. First of all, the chance is low at this point. Even the National Hurricane Center kind of looking at the potential, keeping the chance pretty low right now. So we'll see. We'll track it for sure. But look what a mess the models are. Some of it have it kind of just meandering around here, fizzling around here. Couple bring it into the Gulf. So this is not one of those setups where we're getting a really good idea of exactly where it's going to go. Generally, it looks like the moisture will surge north. That's why this area is highlighted. But these are very messy at this point, as it's not a developed system, and it might never be a developed system. Look at these obstacles too. Dry air indicated in the tan areas here, and also these bright colors are also unfavorable winds, wind shear, which tends to keep formation for hurricanes and tropical systems kind of hindered. So let me show you with our GFS model. Just note rain, really not seeing that spin up, the classic sort of circular shape, just kind of bringing some moisture into the area. And if it were to drift a little bit to the east of us, that might actually keep some of the heaviest rain off to the east too. This is the European model showing the same thing. Maybe a closed low, so maybe a depression, but a lot of the rain really would be the main impact for the Gulf Coast. At this point, the forecast for the next 7 days shows about 3 inches offshore, and you can see 1 to 2 over land areas. We'll have to see, though. This could easily change a little bit as we get a better feel for what Invest 91 does. But you can see that we are anticipating some rain along the Gulf Coast. And again, we'll have to watch for a couple of heavier downpours because there will be so much tropical moisture in the atmosphere. We'll be tracking it for you. The timing on that, again, would mostly be midweek, late Tuesday, Wednesday, and then into early Thursday. Here's the latest on Larry, by the way. It could soon become a Category 4 storm. And the models are in pretty good agreement, keeping it off to the north and maybe even, as I said, outside of Bermuda, so not affecting land areas at this point.